Hello friends, so welcome to my YouTube channel and I am Akash, and today in this video we will see how to solve the Cauchy problem for first order partial differential equation in Wolfram Mathematica. So let's start our video. So I have taken the four examples here, that is x, ux. Ux is the derivative of u with respect to x, and uy denotes the derivative of u with respect to y. So my first equation is x ux plus y uy is equals to 2xy, and my condition is given, that is u of x comma y. U is my dependent variable, so it is equals to 2, where y is equals to x square. Similarly, my second equation is given as ux plus x uy is equals to 0, where my condition is given as u of x comma y is equals to sine y, where x is equals to 0. My third equation is y into ux plus x into uy is equals to 2xy, comma u of 0 comma y is equals to e raised to power minus y square. So similarly, you can see three more functions. So we will solve all these five or six questions in this video. And similarly, you can solve some more examples from your textbook. So let's start our video. So first we will write the equation in Mathematica. So how we write? So for that, uh, let's write equation 1. Equation 1 is equals to x. Now then x into ux is derivative of u with respect to x, so we will write it by capital D, and yes, within square bracket u, which is a function of x comma y, and it is a derivative with respect to x, then plus y into d of u bracket x comma y with respect to y, then double equals to 2xy. Okay, so before 2xy we put double equals to sign. Okay, so must remember, then shift plus enter. Then see, my equation is stored as in equation 1. Now we will solve this equation by putting the command dsolve. Dsolve within square bracket. If I want to solve, yes, equation 1, here my independent or dependent variable is u, which is depend on x comma y. Okay, then within curly bracket x comma y. So shift plus enter, then shift plus enter, then see, this is my solution. U of x comma y is equals to xy plus c1, which is my constant, into y by x. Now write the solve one comma now we will put the initial condition, which is given as u of x comma y is equals to 2, where y is equals to x square. So I am denoting it by the solve one command. Yes, solve one equals to dsolve within square bracket. I will write within curly bracket eq and 1 comma u of x, where my y is given as x square, so I will write here x square, u of x comma x square double equals to, my condition is given as 2, and then by separating comma u of x comma y within this x comma y. Okay, so Yes, you can see my solution. Now we will plot the graph. So it is my two variable function, so that's why I will use the plot 3D command. Plot 3D command, and here I will write u of x comma y, u of x comma y, then backslash dot solve 1, then I will write the domain my x vary from -1. So let's take 1 to 5. Okay, you can also take -1. Then my y domain is, let's take -2 to 2. Okay, then shift plus enter, then wait. So this is my graph. Okay, so you can see how much it is easy to solve the Cauchy problem for first order partial differential equation. So let's write the second equation. Of x plus x u of y is equals to 0. So let's write eqn2 is equals to capital D, then write u of x comma y, then plus x star u of capital D. Within this we will write u of x comma y, then which is a derivative with respect to y. Yes, there is mistake here, comma x. Yes, so now this is complete. Now double equals to 0. Okay, then shift plus enter, then see this is my equation. Now you can also remove the second step. So I am writing here, now I am finding the solution. Let's write solve 2 double equals to, not double, single equals to d solve solve 2 equals to d solve within square bracket. I will write equation 2 comma u of 0 comma y, because my x is 0, then double equals to my, this is given as sin y, so sin y. Then I will write u of x comma y, x comma y, then u of x comma y, and then by separating comma x comma y. Then see this is my solution. Then I will plot the graph. I will simply use the plot 3D command. Within this I will write u of x comma y backslash dot solve 2 comma within curly bracket I will define the domain. So let's take the domain -5 to 5, then by separating comma let's take y from -4 to 4, then shift plus enter, then say this is your graph. So let's solve the third equation. So my third equation is EQN 3. This is my third equation. Double equals to y, then derivative of u, which is the dependent variable of x comma y with respect to x, then plus x into derivative of u, which is a dependent variable of x comma y with respect to y, then double equals to 2 of x comma y. Then press the shift plus enter key. Yes, this will be your answer. Then we will solve this equation by simply write the solve 3 command. Solve 3. Then we will use the dsolve command, and within this I will write the equation 3, and my initial condition is u of 0 comma y, u of 0 comma y, and it is given as double equals to e raised to power minus y square. For this we will use the palette section. Yes, so from here this is my e, that is exponential e raised to the power minus y raised to the power square. So just simply write here, then by separating comma, u of x comma y comma x comma y. So yes, I hope it's clear. And then shift plus enter, then this will be your answer. U of x comma y is equals to e raised to power minus y square, and within the circle bracket e raised to power x square plus e raised to power y square x square. Okay, so this is my solution. Now we will plot this graph. So for that I will use the plot 3D command. Plot 3D. Then within this I will write u of x comma y, u of x comma y backslash dot sol3. Then I will define the domain. X varies from -1 to 1, and then let's take y varies from -1 to 1. Then shift plus enter, then see, this will be your graph. Okay, I hope now you are able to solve the Cauchy problem equation. Okay, so now I am solving the, so let's write the equation. EQN4, this is my equation 4, equals to d u of x comma y with respect to x, then plus x into d u of x comma y with respect to y, then double equals to, for this I will go here, yes, then write the y minus half. So use this palette section, 1 by 2 x square x square, then it's a whole square, then shift plus enter, then see, this will be your equation. Okay, must remember, for this use this palette section, otherwise maybe there will be some error. Okay, So now we will solve this equation. Just simply write solve for equals to, okay, solve for equals to d solve within square bracket. Just write the equation 4 comma, my initial condition is given as u of 0 comma y, 0 comma y, then double equals to e raised to the power. For the exponential we will go here exponential e raised to the power y is given. Okay, then just write the u of x comma y is dependent here on x comma y. Okay, so just write this, then shift plus enter, then see this will be a solution of the given equation. Now we will plot. How to plot? Simply I will use the plot 3D command. Okay, so within this I will just write the u of x comma y, then backslash dot s12 4. So I will put the value of this u of x comma y, uh, which I will get in the solve for. Then just define the domain. So let's take the x vary from -1 to 1, and then y vary from -1 to 1. So then shift plus enter, then see this will be your graph of the equation 4. So now I am solving the equation 5. So this is my equation. Then how I will write? Just simply I write eqn 5, then equals to, then I will write the u is my dependent variable, so I will write the u of x comma y, then derivative of u with respect to derivative of u, which is my function x comma y with respect to x, then minus u, which is my dependent variable, then I will write u of x comma y. Okay, so then derivative of u with respect to x comma y with respect to y. Okay, so double equals to u square. How you will write the u square? Here u is your dependent variable. For this you will write the simply u square, okay, then plus x plus y square is given. So for this use this palette section x plus y, yes, then shift plus center, then see this will be our equation which is stored in equation 5. Now we will solve this, the simply write the solve 5 equals to use the dsolve command within square bracket, just write the eqn 5 backslash dot sol, no sorry, yes, just write the initial value. Initial value is given as u of x comma 0, here your y is 0, which is double equals to 1, and here u is my dependent variable on x comma y, then shift plus enter, then you will get the solution of this above equation. I hope it's clear. Then shift plus enter, then see this is my solution of the given equation. Now I will plot. How to plot the graph? I will simply write the, yes, plot 3D command, plot 3D command, and within this I will write the equation 5. So simply write eqn5 backslash dot sol4. Okay, so backslash dot sol4. After that I will define the domain. So let's take the domain varies from -2 to 2, and y vary from also -2 to 2. You can, so yes, it is running. Then see, this is my graph of equation 5. So similarly you can also plot the graph of equation 6, and you can solve the equation by just simply write the dsolve command, and first write the equation 6, and equation 6 is for your homework. Okay, so I'm writing here, this is for your homework. So guys, I think you understood, and if this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, and thank you for watching. Okay, see you soon.